The legend of American muscle, the very icon that defined a generation of horsepower, has reached its absolute pinnacle. Welcome to the future, a future forged in fire and gasoline. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT500 Successor is here, and it might just be the last of its kind, the final glorious chapter in the era of high horsepower, supercharged V8s. What you're looking at is pure, raw, and absolutely unrelenting power. It's more than a car. It's a monument to the spirit of performance. At its heart, the beast awakens. This is the 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8, a masterpiece of engineering rumored to unleash well over 800 horsepower. This isn't just muscle, it's muscle in its purest, most visceral form. Feel the earth-shaking torque that pins you to your seat. Listen to the track-tuned symphony of power and hear that unmistakable, soul-stirring scream of a naturally aspirated beast, enhanced and perfected by the relentless whine of a supercharger. This engine doesn't just run, it breathes fire, a living, pulsing heart of American performance. Every curve, every line, every vent on this machine serves a single purpose: to dominate. The bodywork is a masterclass in aggressive, functional design. You can see the enhanced cooling ducts, bigger and more efficient than ever, feeding air to that monstrous engine. The wide, muscular fenders aren't just for show. They house massive tires ready to claw at the asphalt, and the track-focused aerodynamics, from the menacing front splitter to the intricate rear diffuser, work in perfect harmony to channel airflow, eliminate lift, and maximize every ounce of grip. This car doesn't just cut through the air, it commands it. Every angle screams performance. But what good is all that power without control? Whether you're launching down the drag strip or carving up the corners of a world-class racetrack, this Mustang delivers a level of precision that is simply astonishing. The suspension is a work of art, tuned for razor-sharp response. The upgraded brakes provide confidence-inspiring stopping power, turn after turn, and the torque-optimized rear-wheel drive system ensures that every single one of those 800-plus horses is put to work, translating raw power into breathtaking forward motion. This is a car that engages all your senses, a true extension of the driver. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit built for one thing: driving. It's all about you, the pilot. The sport seats, heavily bolstered and wrapped in premium materials, cradle your body, holding you firm through the most aggressive maneuvers. Your hands grip a steering wheel trimmed in Alcantara, a tactile connection to the road. Carbon fiber and Alcantara accents are everywhere, a constant reminder of the car's track-focused intent. And right in front of you, a fully digital performance cluster displays every vital metric you need to tame this powerful beast. From lap times to G-forces, this isn't an interior, it's a command center. This new Mustang isn't just another car, it's a profound statement. We are witnessing the final, magnificent roar of the combustion-era GT500. This is a collector's dream, a rolling tribute to the raw, untamed emotion that only a V8 can deliver. As we move towards a new automotive landscape, this car stands as a testament to an era of unbridled passion and mechanical fury. It's the last dance, the final crescendo of a symphony that has echoed for decades. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT500 Successor, the last of an era, the ultimate expression of American muscle, and a legend that will roar forever in the hearts and minds of enthusiasts everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you love this look at the future of performance, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.